Hello, or moin moin as we say in Hamburg. Today I'm going to show you how to descale any old drip coffee maker. We take the empty pot and fill it with 1 part descaler to 4 parts water. In this case we have 200 ml of our liquid decalcifier and 800 of clear water. We now fill the water tank of the coffee machine with the mixed descaling solution and put the pot back in its place. With this machine, now we press the button for the descaling program. On all other machines that do not have this program, you should just use the normal brewing function. Now the descaling liquid is passed through the machine and descales it in the process. The descaling program here just allows a little more time between bursts so that the descaler has longer to act. For machines that have a built-in water filter, we need to remove this before descaling and then replace it again afterwards. Basically, with any machine, you should always follow the manufacturer operating instructions. So once the machine has fed all the descaler into the pot, we then rinse this very thoroughly with clear warm water, fill it up again completely, tip the water into the water tank and place the pot back on its plate. Now it's very important to ensure that the water is not cold, otherwise there's a risk that the pot will shatter due to the excessive difference in temperature. We perform this water rinsing process twice so that all residues are completely removed. Because sometimes you can still see residual particles floating around in the pot during the first rinse, and so a second rinse is always justified. With our WoldoClean liquid descaler, we have integrated a practical color indicator. If after the descaling process the color is still reddish, it still has enough power in it to do other work such as cleaning a kettle or sink fixtures. If the color has turned yellow, then the machine had a lot of limescale in it and the liquid descaling power is all used up. Once the second rinsing process is complete, we rinse out the pot again as well as any other related parts that you can simply remove. When rinsing the filter, we also ensure that the water can run through the closure by pressing it or lightly pressing it at the rinsing base. Keep that in mind because here residues are often at the bottom of the filter or filter holder, so don't forget to rinse that part too. After we have finished to clean our parts, we put everything back together. So now that we get rid of all the limescale in our machine, we can reward ourselves afterwards with a lovely fresh coffee.